This device is incredible because it can convert 12-volt energy into cold, even freezing water in just a few minutes. One side can freeze while the other generates heat. Also come with this small fan to increase its efficiency. It has these connection jacks where we power it up. We are going to take a detailed look at it and of course testing using this 12-volt battery. This battery is an energy storage unit that comes with several voltage output and it's very interesting. I'll also show it to you briefly in this video. It's come in this box and inside you'll find the manual and a small bag with accessories and connectors. This is a battery itself and it has a capacity of over 800 watts. It can power USB devices and also features AC output, so we can plug in all kind of 110 volt household appliances. In this case, we are going to run a test by connecting an appliance, specifically this fan. One very important feature is that the screen displays the real-time power consumption of whatever you have plugged in. Now, what's really cool is that you can connect this solar panel directly to it to recover the energy you've used. This is a completely portable suitcase style panel, which makes it very easy to carry. You just have to expose it to the sun and then connect it to output cables to the battery. It will automatically handle the voltage regulation and recharge the energy. Finally, we are going to connect our cooling device or Peltier cell. I have to tell you it does work, but it consumes too much energy, making it quite inefficient. If you'd like to see this device used in a different refrigeration project, let me know in the comments.